Hello. Chicken curry, nuclear style, with some Snowden craft lager. And some onion bhajis. I cooked them, wife didn't, I did. But she's filmed them to think. Who do you say that filmed them? In your video?
I'm going to put in YouTube.
I know. Who did you say that made them?
You.
Oh, did you? Really?
Yeah. I'm not going to claim that it's not my...
You didn't take credit then?
No. I'm not going to claim for it. It's a lie.
No.
But it's quite... I don't know if I understand the taste.
But does it taste nice?
It's nice. It's not... I don't know. I've never had onion bhaji before.
And the bomb to finish
What
off.
is that?
The bomb.
What is the bomb?
It's chili sauce. Right. Nuclear style this.
I can't find any chicken in the curry.
No, the trouble sometimes with chicken, it splits up and then goes into like little slithers.
Spicy.
It's not.
If I don't sleep tonight, it's your fault.
Ooh, there's a burn.
So you made this one for me?
Yeah, with no, there's only, what was it? Not even a quarter a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili.
Really?
Yeah. Don't tell me it's hot. How can it be?
I don't know.
You know what? Sometimes I think you've been to drama school, you know.
No.
10 bird's eye chilies going in this.
Are you all right there?
Yep. Can feel it though.
This onion bhaji is huge.
I know.
I thought onion bhaji is an only small thing.
Only if you buy them from a supermarket. And don't eat all the mango chutney. Look at all the bits in it.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought it belongs to mine.
No, it's me as well, you know.
You didn't say anything.
Oh well.
You didn't say anything.
Oh well.
I can't find the chicken.
It's there.
Sorry. No.
It is hot though. Want to try a bit?
Oh, no, thank you. If you give me money, I'll take the money and you can eat it.
No. It's nice though.
No.
You can taste the garam masala and the vine tomatoes.
Did you put vine tomato mine?
Yeah.
I can't see it.
You won't. It goes down into the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
You made a mango chutney as well?
No. I bought that from the shop. I'm not that clever. It's nice as lager.
How do you make your onion bhaji?
You have to mix it up. Add all different things.
And you have to cook the vegetable first?
What? No. You mix it up first and then fry it on a slow fry till it's golden brown and it goes all salt, you know, crunchy inside.
Oh, it's spicy.
It's not.
The onion bhaji, I think I bite something. Oh God. Excuse me.
It's nice. Because if I give this to my wife, she'd be ill, wouldn't you?
No. Yeah, I'm in hospital. Tomorrow.
I just say the heat is close to a vindaloo. I want to put some Kashmiri chilli in it as well.
Did you?
Yeah. It gives it that red colour.
You should had what to call that? The bread, pita bread.
Naan bread, you mean?
Oh yeah, sorry.
I'll have a go at making my own sometime.
Oh.
What do you mean? You go on YouTube, you can find out anything. That's
Yeah, but the thing is, it's hassle. Why can you go out and buy? It's easy. You make it, you have to spend for more than an hour or 2 hours looking for the recipe and things. That's your effort as well to do that, rather buying it.
Yeah, but you're better off making your own, or whatever, or buying them. You may as well just have some roast.
Why every time you eat curries, your nose is going?
Red.
No.
Runny.
Runny.
It's not running yet.
Mine. Excuse.
Yep.
The chicken is very, very soft. All the chicken there in the sauce.
No, it's not. I got chicken.
No, I don't have any.
You did. I put loads of chicken in.
I had to dig it first before I found the chicken.
You're trying to show me up, aren't you?
No,
No.
I'll just tell the truth.
Ooh, now it's building.
Oh, I'm so tired today.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
It's not me, I'm not there. It's a ghost wanting a pint.
Bloody knackered.
Oh, but I got this one as well. Does it say outstanding?
Where did you get that one?
Co-op was on special offer. Gower Brewery, I haven't tried it before.
I can't finish it, I'm sorry.
Huh?
I can't finish it.
That's alright. See, there's a piece of chicken there.
Where? I had a couple, I think 3 I had. That's all.
There's some more in the pan there. The small pan, don't go for the big pan because it'll blow your brains out.
No, it's alright.
Because I put some of that dip. I put some of that in the sauce as well.
Yeah.
I'm talking to the camera, dear.
Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm not a big lover of the onion bhaji.
No,
It's not my things.
no, I thought I'd have a go.
Yeah. No, not my thing.
Try one. Well, I followed the recipe of that Islamic guy off YouTube.
Yeah? Oh, excuse me. Pardon me.
Yeah. Yes. Lovely. Well, you're not big a lover of onions, are you?
No. I can see the shadow in the conservatory. I don't know what is that. And now it's your watch. What's the matter with your watch?
Nothing. Ooh, that was tasty, aren't
Tasty?
they? Mmm. Yeah, pieces of onion and potato and lentil.
Lentils.
Lentil.
Lentil. You know what? If it's got no food left and there's only a bhaji left, I'd rather stop. I'm not eating this one.
Bloody Filipinos who can't make them happy.
No.
Used to your own country's food, aren't you?
Yeah. I don't want fish and chips now.
Fish and chips?
Mm.
Not having fish and chips as a curry.
I know.
It's tasty, that's it. Onion bhaji, though.
It's alright. It's nice, but it's not for me.
No.
I'm honest, aren't I?
Yeah, too bloody honest.
Yeah, it's alright, but maybe some other people they like it, but not for me though. This is not that kind of food I wanted.
Yeah, but you normally like a curry, though.
I like curry, but a normal one, not like plenty sauce pouring on it. I like coconut curry.
There's an Indian, well, it's not Indian, it's inspired by. Tasty, though.
You can eat. Some people you can eat a vegetarian for this.
It is. Vegans can eat that.
Mm. No, I don't want to be a vegan.
No. It tastes nice, though.
Hmm?
Vegans.
Oh yeah. What? You being rude now, are you?
No. I said vegans taste nice and you went, oh yeah.
You being rude. Do you have any? What did I have? Do you know that I got orange last night left here?
I put it in the kitchen. Very welcome. It's lovely. I'm proud of them. I made them myself.
Can I have that with cheese?
The cheese.
Oh, yes.
Light cheese.
Buy cheese or whatever.
I'm full now.
I am as well. I didn't think. Sorry, because it put me off because I only 3 pieces sliced chicken I had.
There's more in there. You can just pick the chicken out and then just put it on.
I put me off now. I just buy. You're full now.
Pardon me.
Pardon? Bloody hell.
I'll be allowed to do a double chicken next time.
Oh shit. Oh, sugar.
See, my wife does swear. Now break one in half. Have a small piece. There.
What is it?
Hmm?
What is going to... I put that one. Oh my god. Why on earth you put a lot of pain to do that?
I'm doing a pain. Whew. Smell it?
No.
Let's see. That's enough.
What kind of chili that one?
Habanero. It tastes woody, like a barbecue.
Maybe out of date.
Is it bug? Put it on there. Oh, it tastes vile.
Vile. Maybe out of date. Have a look.
Tastes metallic.
Where?
Oh my god.
Really spicy.
I think it goes. Oh, it's habanero. It's habanero. But it's the. I think it's got a. What do you call it?
I don't know. Do you mind?
Chili extract.
Oh.
It says phone 111. Oh, it's got. Ooh, it's got a burn on there. Pardon me. Hiccups. It's habanero, it is, but it's got.
Really spicy.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Mama. Oh.
Do you throw?
It's just like eating a
So they attack your throat, not your gums.
tongue, throat.
So if you had what they call that, tonsillitis, tonsil,
Oh,
you
get
can
rid
have
of
that
them.
one.
They're gone. It's all right for food, but not to take like this. It's just like eating a habanero. Oh,
The fresh one.
yeah. Oh, fucking hell. That's worse than the Apollo last week.
Really?
Yeah. Oh. Your breath is burning.
Mm.
It'll come to a peak. Fuck me. Now my lips are starting to burn.
I'm quite happy. I got no pain.
Oh, I don't. Good stuff there.
You over here. Bloody sour.
Oh. It's coming back. Water bottle. Let's try this Gower one. Oh, my spit is on fire. Can't come out the bottle quick enough. Wonder what this Gower is like. Oh, it's starting to take a dip. That's a bit sweet. I'd rather have the Snowdonia. Sell it in co-op. Don't know about this Gower though.
Not selling instant.
No. The Gower, I don't know, it's a bit sweet. It's like a lager with, it's coming back. Ooh.
What do you mean coming back?
The burn.
Really?
Yeah. It's a sneaky little bastard.
I don't dare to taste that one.
No, don't. Now my nose is running. What's his name? Randy? No,
Excuse
not
me.
Randy. That's one way of cooking your inside. Wow. I'll go off camera now as you call me a dickhead. That was a ride. That was. Because them on your badges, you put them in the freezer.
Can you?
Yeah. Once it cool down. save them for next time. But I'm quite proud of that.
Yeah, if you're into these things, I'm not.
Oh no, I don't want a second round. That was good.
Is that good? You suffer for now?
Yeah, it's good. But now it's coming down. Okay. It's just like eating a...
If you are finished later on, can you make me a black coffee, please? Huh? If you finish it. You alright?
If I took any more than that, I think it'd be calling A&E.
Oh God. Oh, you call 999. Emergency, please.
It's good for food. Adding to food, putting in food and cooking.
Yeah.
No good on... That has got a kick and a half. The scour. It's like honey. Tastes
Yeah.
like.
Oh no.
Just have a sip.
Oh no. Oh,
Just a sip.
no, the spicy.
No, just get it on the other glass.
Oh, I don't know. It's like bland.
Well, I say that one's shite. That one, no. I wouldn't buy that. No. That one, at one point I thought I was going to be sick, you know. Well, take care all. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.